Another very important part of any project is usually going to involve some measuring. Probably the two most common forms of measuring is a measuring tape, which is like a ruler on a roll, and it's got a hook on the end here which enables you to hook it over a piece of wood and then draw it out to the end. This one has measurements in centimetres and in inches, but generally probably be working in centimetres or even millimetres, and the scale here then marks, and you can then find out exactly the length, say, of this piece of wood, which is 50, 1, 2, 3 millimetres. I can then use that measurement and take it to another piece of wood, say this one. If I needed to cut this to the same length, I can then hook the tape measure over the end of that one, and again look at my mark, 50, 1, 2, 3 millimetres, and with a sharp pencil make a mark on my timber. If I needed to cut this square, then I could use a marking square and put it up to my pencil line I've just made, and then that gives me a line then for my saw cut. Another measuring instrument for things which are usually for smaller measurements but is very accurate is a steel ruler, or you can use any sort of ruler, and effectively the end of the ruler on this one starts at 0, so that's quite useful because it means you can measure something off a point like this and read up the side of the scale again, so we can see that this is 47 millimetres. This is more accurate, but obviously the tape measure is much longer, so if you need to measure something big, the tape measure will go on and on, usually as big as you're going to.